guys, Brendan here. We're in the Canucks liquor store and we are ready to release the Kraken. We're going to be making a dark and stormy today. Really simple drink. We're going to start with about 4 ounces of ginger beer here. We're using the, what do we have here? Krabby's ginger beer. Perfect. On the side there. And then we're going to go for 2 ounces of Kraken the rum here. And this one's kind of cool because if you watch, as we just kind of release it down, it just kind of sits on top because it's heavier. We will stir it in a little bit later, but it just kind of gives that nice look to the drink. A little bit darker on top and lighter on the bottom when we get that kind of separation there. Straightforward, just the 2 ingredients there. We're going to garnish with a half lime wedge there on the top. And there you have it, dark and stormy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.